Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Is Bumble showing the wrong city or your location is not updating? Let's fix that in a few quick steps. First, enable location services. For that, open your phone and go to your quick settings panel. And here, make sure location is turned on. Also, ensure high accuracy mode is enabled if available. Second step is to check for Bumble app permissions. For that, go to settings. Scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Bumble. And here tap permissions and go to location and make sure location is set to allow all the time or allow only while using the app. Now third step is to turn off battery saver. View your quick settings panel and here make sure battery saver is turned off because it can block background location updates. Fourth step is to refresh your location in Bumble. Open Bumble. Here, close and reopen the app. Swipe down on your match feed to refresh your current location. Fifth step is to check for app updates. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search Bumble. If there's an update available, install it right away. Next step would be to reboot your phone. A simple restart often resets GPS and fixes app sync issues. Simply tap and hold on to the power button and tap restart. If still showing the wrong location, try toggling the airplane mode on and off or uninstall and reinstall the Bumble app. And that's it. Your Bumble location should now be spot on. Still not working? Contact Bumble support from within the application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.